Stop studying English silently. Yes, silently, because every day you read English, watch English, and listen to English. But when was the last time you actually opened your mouth and spoke? If your answer is not today, your English problem may not be in your brain. It may be in your mouth. Meet Alex. Alex is a serious English learner. Every morning he opens an English app. On the bus, he listens to a podcast. At lunch, he watches a short lesson. At night, he reads English for 20 minutes. Alex studies every single day. And honestly, he understands a lot. When he hears a familiar sentence, he thinks, yes, I know that. When he sees a new grammar lesson, he thinks, easy, I learned this last year. Alex feels ready until a real person speaks to him. So stop studying English silently. Keep reading. Keep listening. But give your mouth a job too. Speak before you feel completely ready. Use simple sentences. Let yourself make small mistakes. And remember, English in your head is knowledge. English from your mouth is communication. Subscribe for more simple English lessons and write one sentence in the comments. Today, I will speak out loud. Now say it out loud. At that moment, Alex is a little like a very intelligent dog. The dog understands. Sit. Come here. Do you want food? The dog understands everything, but the dog cannot answer. Thank you. My weekend was relaxing. I visited my brother. Of course, Alex is not a dog, and Alex is not stupid. He has simply trained one skill much more than the other. He has trained understanding. He has not trained speaking. Listening and speaking are connected, but they are not the same skill. When you listen, your brain recognizes sounds and meaning. When you speak, your brain must choose words, build a sentence, control your breathing, and move your mouth. All of that must happen quickly. You cannot build that speed only by reading silently. Imagine watching exercise videos every day without moving your body. You may understand every exercise. You may know the correct position, but your muscles will not become stronger by watching. Speaking works in the same way. Your mouth needs practice. So here is the first rule. If you learn English for 30 minutes, do not stay silent for all 30 minutes. Use at least 5 of those minutes to speak out loud. Not in your head, not with your lips closed, out loud. Your voice may feel strange at first. That is normal. You are not performing for an audience. You are training a skill. One afternoon, a coworker looks at Alex and asks, "How was your weekend?" Alex understands every word. How was your weekend? There is no difficult grammar. There are no advanced words. Alex even knows what he wants to say, but his mouth does nothing. His brain searches. His face becomes serious. 3 seconds pass, then 5. Finally, Alex says, "Weekend. Good." And immediately he feels disappointed. But be careful. Speaking practice does not mean repeating one sentence like a robot 50 times. My day was good. My day was good. My day was good. That trains repetition, not conversation. Change one small part each time. My day was good. My morning was stressful. My afternoon was better. Now I feel relaxed. Small changes teach your brain to build sentences instead of only copying them. You can also use shadowing. Choose a short sentence from a clear English video. Listen once. Then play it again and speak with the person. Copy the rhythm. Copy the pauses. Copy the emotion. Do not choose a 10-minute speech. Choose 10 seconds. For example, "I didn't expect the meeting to take so long." Listen. Repeat. Then close the video and say the same idea in your own way. I didn't expect the movie to be so long. Now you are not only copying, you are using the pattern. If this lesson is helping you, subscribe now and leave a like. This channel is for learners like Alex, people who understand English but need simple practice to start using it. And after this video, do not just watch another lesson. Say one sentence out loud first. You may be thinking, but what if I make a mistake? You will. Everyone does. A mistake means you tried to build a real sentence. Silence feels safe, but silence gives you nothing to improve. You do not need perfect English to have a good conversation. You need a clear idea, a few useful words, and the courage to continue. If someone understands you, your English worked. You do not need a speaking partner for every exercise. Use the moments already inside your day. While making coffee, say, I'm making coffee. Then add one detail. I'm making coffee because I'm still tired. When you leave home, say, I'm running late. When you finish work, say, today was difficult, but I finished everything. This is not exciting English. It is useful English. And useful English becomes fast English because you can practice it again tomorrow. Here is your 5-minute mouth workout. Minute 1, describe what you see around you. Minute 2, answer one simple question with 3 sentences. Minute 3, shadow 10 seconds of natural English. Minute 4, change the sentence and make it personal. Minute 5, speak freely about your day. No dictionary, no grammar book, no stopping every time you are unsure. 5 minutes. Every day. That is how silent knowledge becomes a speaking skill. The next Monday, the same coworker asks Alex, how was your weekend? Alex still feels nervous. He still needs a moment, but this time his mouth is practiced. He says, it was good. I visited my brother and we watched a basketball game. What about you? The sentence is not advanced. It does not need to be. The conversation continues. That is the goal, not a perfect performance, a real conversation. For the next 7 days, spend 5 minutes speaking English out loud. Record yourself on day 1. Record yourself again on day 7. Do not ask, do I sound like a native speaker? Ask, can I answer more easily? Can I speak a little longer? Do I pause less? That is real progress. So stop studying English silently. Keep reading. Keep listening. But give your mouth a job too. Speak before you feel completely ready. Use simple sentences. Let yourself make small mistakes. And remember, English in your head is knowledge. English from your mouth is communication. Subscribe for more simple English lessons and write one sentence in the comments. Today I will speak out loud. Now say it out loud.